Hi there. Thanks for tuning in to Jen's 5-Minute App Tip. This is Jen Wilner from Secretary Central Virtual Assistant Services and Social Media Trainers. This week's 5-Minute App Tip is a lesson on how to scan your receipts, documents, etc. with the app Microsoft Office Lens. Now, we're going to go into the app and we'll start our lesson today by showing you how to scan a receipt. Now, many times, I don't know if you're like me, but I like to scan my receipts so that I can save them and easily have these documents for my bookkeeper, for my accountant. So here's how we're going to do it. So here's a receipt from a grocery store of some food that was purchased for a meeting. So going into the app, on the lower right-hand corner, you're going to click on Photo. Now, we took a photo of the receipt. You're going to click on the check mark to save it. You're going to go up to the title section where there is a time and date stamp. I'm going to rename that file, the title of June 26. Actually, it's from yesterday. We want to keep our receipts organized properly. Meeting, snacks, receipt. I like to have the what, the date, and the what in order. So June 25 receipt, meeting, snacks. Done and save. Now first, before I save it, I want you to see that the photo here is going into my gallery on my smartphone, as well as connected to my Quick Notes in OneNote. So now I'm going to click on Save, and it's now going to open up my files. So in the upper left-hand corner, you can see a little purple N, and then the receipt where it says June 25 receipt, and then me. And then to the right of it is the actual photo as it appears in my gallery. So let's click on the OneNote file. And it's going to open up OneNote for me. And here you can see the actual image as it was uploaded today, right just this minute. And this is how it appears in OneNote. So if this receipt was to fade in a drawer, or if I was to lose it, I don't have to worry about that because I have it in my trusty OneNote. Now, also in OneNote, in Office Lens, this app is available for Apple and iOS smartphones and tablets, and I want to show you how on my iPad I can download it to my iPad. So I went into the App Store and typed in Office Lens, and then here I want to look and see what it's available in. So these are iPhone only apps. If I touch that, it shows me iPad only. So let's switch it to iPad only. And there's the app. Now, I'm not going to download it right this moment, but I could if I wanted it on my iPad. I prefer to have these things on my Samsung smartphone, and after I am positive that the file is in my OneNote account, I will then, as you can see it is right here, I will then delete the photo from my smartphone photos. So that's it, everybody. That's today's 5-minute app tip, how to scan your receipts and documents using the Microsoft Office Lens. I hope this tip was helpful for you. If you could please leave a comment below this video and let me know if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for future app tips, that would be great. Again, this is Jen Wilner from Secretary Central with this week's 5-minute app tip. See you next week.